Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Roblox on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search function and you want to type in Roblox and search. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it and confirm that it's by Roblox Corporation. Then from here, tap on Get to start the installation process. You will need to confirm using your Apple account password or your Face ID. But once you've confirmed the installation, simply wait for the download to complete itself. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. Then from here, you can now start using Roblox on your iPhone 11. So sign in with your account. If you don't have one created, just tap on sign up and go through the setup process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.